Today we're making stuffed mushrooms. We're going to start with the boysen cream cheese, mushrooms, Parmesan cheese, olive oil, Philadelphia cream cheese, mozzarella, and spinach. We'll start by mixing the cream cheese and the boysen cream cheese. Grate the Parmesan cheese on top of that. Here I'm adding minced garlic, onion powder, white pepper, and slap your mama seasoning. I'm chopping the stems from the mushrooms and mixing that in with the cream cheese mixture. I'm going to take the baby spinach along with the stems from the mushrooms that I've chopped and saute that to get ready for the mixture. I'll season that with outrageous. Here's where I'll add that mixture into the cream cheese, stuff the mushrooms. Here I'm taking the stuffed mushroom and dipping it into the mozzarella cheese. Here I'm setting the timer. I want to cook those for about 12 minutes. Into the oven they go, and here they are. I did not salt this recipe, but I will use gray sea salt to use it as a finishing salt with just a small pinch just to cover. And here you go, stuffed mushrooms.